For sale, my friends. This is the D2 air suspension kit, Vera air suspension management, and brand new. This is gonna run you about $2,000. I'm selling it for $650. Super good deal. And if you want to pay a little bit extra, I have an extra compressor. Already comes with one, but then the second one makes everything pump up faster. This air suspension was pulled off the car and I installed AirTech. I got AirTech and the 3P management on the car now, so that's just like top of the line, a little bit more expensive. But if you're not willing to pay all that money and get a super good deal today, $650, cash only, local pickup. So anyone watching this that's outside of local or not willing to make the drive to me, please do not hit me up. So it's getting dark really fast lately, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the channel for a brand new video. Had to make a last minute video because something came in the mail and I promised I'd make a video ASAP. So that's what today's video is about. Before we do that install though, I got some bad news to tell you guys. Last weekend, actually last video I guess, I told you guys I was gonna be buying a new car, and I tried doing that just yesterday and everything just didn't go right. So the vehicle I'm trying to get is a Ford Transit van. The Ford Transit Connect to be exact, and I plan to lower it and put the 3-piece wheels that are not my storage unit on it that I just got and traded for the T37s. I plan to make it look super good, get a wrap, get everything for my detailing business and do a full custom detail setup, which I still want to do. Reason why I'm kind of pushing back from right now, the dealership couldn't approve me to get the car because I wasn't paying straight up cash, which I'm not going to pay straight up cash for something that's $20,000, which is really surprising because I put 20% down, so that's like $4,000 of the price I was willing to put down, and I got good credit and everything, and they didn't approve me. The reasoning for it was because it's a commercial vehicle. It's usually used for business, and if you're buying it not for a business, because my detailing is just a side hustle thing, it's not an actual business yet. It's getting there, but it's not there yet. So I'm kind of buying it private party, but I guess you can't get those. It's hard to get those approved, so that kind of got pushed back. I do have some good news though. We're gonna be moving into the new property shop really soon, so everything's gonna be going out of my storage. My car here, and maybe even the Honda Civic if I don't have time to fix it up here. And then all my detailing stuff is going to a new place in Portland. So pretty excited to film that. That's what's going on, guys. Let's get this video started. It's sprinkling a little bit today, guys, and we got the car, and I want to show you guys the before. So here are the turn signal mirrors we're gonna be swapping out today. I'm really hyped to do this because the new set is really clean. It's gonna be a lot brighter. So these ones, they condensate just like the headlights, and it's actually on both sides, but I'm gonna show you guys how to remove these. Pretty easy, and install a new one. Unique Style Racing, guys, they made these ones, and then they got a lot of complaints of it not being bright enough. And my biggest complaint is just the condensation. I don't really care about how bright it is. But these ones right here, you guys saw me test them out a little bit ago, and they looked really good. And I said I'd be installing them soon, but they weren't ready to release the product. Well, guess what? Now they're ready. So link's gonna be in the description to these if you guys want to check them out. But make sure you guys watch this full video and see how you like them first. It looks like they were able to make it straight up plug and play, so that's always good. We just pull out the old ones and install these ones. So to get this piece right here, guys, you're gonna wanna take off this mirror. And to take off the mirror, I had to pull it off to show you guys. But what I did was I took a flathead and a towel. I wrapped the towel around the flathead, and you stick it to the side, and you see this little tab right here. You kind of stick it in there and you open it up. And then there's gonna be another tab. You can go from the other side on the bottom right here and turn your screwdriver and open it up, and it should pop freely just like this. So you just unplug these two pieces. Now you're gonna remove this little screw right back here, guys. So what you're gonna need is a screwdriver with a star tip, and there's gonna be a ton of these back here. So it fits in just like that. And there's just one that you need to remove. And we removed it already, and this should come right out. So when that comes out, unplug it. Unplugged and ready for the new set, new turn signals, and they should plug right into here. Boom. That's how easy it is, guys. Very simple install. And now we test it before we put the mirror back on. Key in. Ha! There it is. The sequentials work. The sequentials work. Now, I think it's supposed to be a little bit slower because mine has LEDs up here that don't have any resistors on it. Let's turn on these to see if they even work. They might have burnt out after like a couple uses. So here's this side. Yeah, these ones don't even turn on, guys. On this one, we got it out and I figured out why it wasn't turning on. Look at the connection piece inside of there. One of them is just folded over. So that explains that. The connection on here, it just slipped right out. So hopefully these ones work. They both work. This was, I know it's a little bit hard to show on camera. It's going a little fast right now because I have hyper flash. So I'm kind of a bad example. But if you guys do not have LEDs inside of here and you go and install these, this will be a little bit slower and it'll make a nice consistent turn signal. These are a lot brighter than the other ones. It's a very simple install. I know you guys love simple installs, so I'm sorry, Unique Style Racing, for having the hyper flash and being a horrible example, but these are a lot brighter. I'm happy with them, and if they don't leak, I'll be even more happy with them. So huge shout out to Unique Style Racing for reaching out and asking me to install these. There she is up close with a little bit of rain on them, but you guys can see the design is very clean. It's black with the little white strip right here, and it's tinted, so even in the daytime this doesn't just look straight up white. And yeah, I think that's super clean, and I'm glad that they decided to step it up and make a new design for us because the other ones weren't cutting it. I'm gonna shut off the car before my battery dies because I seem to have that problem every time. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later.